Good morning, dear children. Children, today you will learn the use of a and an. Children, you will use a and an before the noun. Noun means person, place, animal or things. Okay? Firstly, I will tell you where you will use this letter a or this article a. So children, we use a before words that start with a consonant sounds like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay? So children, see few examples are here. A hen, a tree, a pen and a boy. Now see the use of an here. We use an before the words that starts with vowel sounds. You know the vowels A, E, I, O, U? Now there are few examples of article an. See them? An egg, an apple, an octopus, an umbrella. Okay children? Now you will do the exercise of use of a and an in your notebooks, but today you will learn the use of article a only. Children, take out your notebooks and your pencil eraser, blue marker pencil and your ruler. If you have taken out all the things, just open your notebook to a new page and write date here in this corner box. Then you will write down the heading. USE use OF of a and an. It means use of a and an. So children, our today's topic is use of a and an. Children, we use a and an before a singular noun. Noun means person, place or thing, which you will learn in class 1. Today we are going to learn about use of a only. And tomorrow we will learn about use of an. So, come to today's topic, use of a. Right here, second heading, use of a. Then underline both the blue marker pencil, as you always do. Fine? Then start writing, we use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Children, this definition or this explanation you have to write in your copy, but this definition will not come in the exam. Only examples will come in the examinations. Fine? Then write the examples. EXAMPLES examples. Okay? Then underline it. Here I have given two examples. A car. Why I have written a before this word car? Because this word starts with consonant sound. That is why I have written here a before this word. A car. Then I have written here a friend. So friend starts with F. F is also a consonant. This is not a vowel. You know na how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. Only 5 vowels are there. Rest of the letters are consonant. Fine? So a friend, a car, a friend. Fine? I have drawn few pictures here for you. Children, I have drawn a hut here. Then I have written hut. And why I have written a here? Because H is a consonant sound. That is why I have written here a. Okay? So, a hut. Now, this is a tree. This is a tree. Tree is also starts with a consonant sound. T is a consonant letter. Fine? So, again I will write here a. Okay? Come to the next picture. This is the picture of a cup. C-U-P, cup. And on this blank space, what you are going to write? Because C creates a consonant sound, that is why we will write a before this word. Cup. A cup. Fine? Then I have drawn next picture here. This picture is of a car. As I have told you, T is a consonant letter. So we'll write here a. Fine. Next picture is of a ball. B is also a consonant sound. So children, what will we write here? We will write here a ball. Now children, see the next picture. This is the picture of a bell. B is a consonant letter. So before this, what you are going to write? Yes, we will write here a bell. Okay. So once again, see all the examples of use of a car, a friend, a hut, a tree, a cup, a car, a ball, a bell. Again children, I am going to tell you here, we use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Okay. So children, today I have taught you about the use of a. And in the same way, you will draw the pictures and you will write down same exercise in your notebooks and draw all the pictures on your own very neatly. I hope children, you have understood all the exercise of use of a. And in our next English class, you will learn use of an. Children, do the practice of this exercise. Thank you. Bye-bye.